So we've been making these videos for nearly a decade now, and it's come to our attention that we've never actually done a dessert. So what are we doing today, Ma?
It's banana fritter. It's very popular on the Chinese takeaway menu.
But we'll get on with the recipe. So for the key ingredient for a banana fritter is a banana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Semi-ripened banana.
Yeah, the reason why takeaways use semi-ripened bananas is quite literally because they keep longer. So if people don't buy them, because one day you can literally sell 20, 2 or 3 days after you sell one.
Yes.
Yeah, it just swings and roundabouts. Look, you can never tell what you're going to sell from day to day. Anyway, but if we were going to make these at home, we would wait till these were ripened. We're just showing you what a normal takeaway would be doing.
Yes, that's right. You note that, yes?
Yes, please. Yes, note that. Okay, so we're just going to take...
Do about 6.
What? Why are we going to do 6? Oh, cut it into 3 pieces?
Yeah. Half, isn't it?
I was going to cut it into half, yeah.
I mean 6. 3 banana makes 6, isn't it?
Yeah, so 1 banana will make...
2.
2.
Portion,
one banana is 1 portion.
Yes.
So this was technically 2.
2 portions?
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah, and then we're just going to peel them. I used to hate doing this because if you snap it in the wrong place, you end up with a small one like that and a big one like that, and you just feel like an idiot. And then you've wasted a portion.
Yeah, that's right.
And it happens quite a bit, actually, especially when you're rushing about.
Yeah.
Get all the pithy bits off. You don't have to. It's just personal preference for that.
Yeah.
And Mum, do you want to do the honours?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah?
Well, half, yeah? Should we do it?
Yeah, half. Maybe one more.
Yeah.
Maybe one more.
1 for luck. Da.
See that little trick?
What's that, 6?
Yeah, so this will make beep, 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 beep. That's an alarm going off outside. Someone's car alarm.
Yeah.
But we will persevere, won't we, Ma?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, so this is 3 portions. It's getting louder. I don't know if you can hear it.
But if you do, it's not us, okay?
Yeah. So we're just gonna...
Put it to one side.
Yeah.
Ooh, make sure it's not going to drop on the floor.
It's our little non-stick silicone mat that we use.
Go on, get on with the batter now.
Yeah. So we've got some self-raising flour here. You can use whatever self-raising flour you want, but there is a particular type that good takeaways will be using. But if you want to know what that is, below, comment. And for those of you who've been watching us for a long time, you're definitely going to know what it is anyway, because we say it all the time. So we're going to put some of this self-raising flour into a
container.
Yeah, tray, sort of. Don't need too much. Just going to add a little bit of salt, not too much.
Yep.
Mix this in. This really is super easy and simple, but imagine doing this when you've got woks going, everything else in the background. It can get stressful, and you can only do this in an empty fryer as well. So
yeah.
And then we're just gonna flour
the banana.
Mm-hmm.
That's to make it stick.
Yeah. Make the batter stick. Don't want to be too heavy with it because you don't want to bruise them. Just want to make sure they're lightly dusted. I'm going to put the oil on a very high heat, that is, and then just going to set these aside. So with the same flour, self-raising flour you used before, I'm just going to fill this up. I'm going to add a pinch of bicarb there. That just helps make it extra crispy. And we have warm water.
Yep, that's right.
Do you want to add it?
Can we not use hand?
Yeah, okay, you can do. Yeah, if you don't want to use my whisk, that's fine.
No.
Yeah, go on.
Okay, I'll just use hand.
Yeah, it's fine.
A bit at a time.
No, I know someone's going to say, why didn't we sprinkle some MSG into the base flour? I mean, you can do it if you want. We just don't do it.
But if you like it, you do it. But I wouldn't suggest you to do that.
Probably tastes all right. Probably tastes really good, actually.
Yeah, we could do it. We can try that one day.
Yeah, we could.
Yeah.
Things with MSG, and if that's a series you'd like to see us do.
Yeah, just comment below, okay?
Yeah, and like what? Like tea or like things you wouldn't expect. We will give the measurements out for this, but it's a real fine art of just knowing when, because sometimes the flour will be dry and won't take as much moisture. Sometimes it will have more moisture in and you'll need less water.
Yeah, that's
You're just
right.
looking for a texture.
Yeah, the texture is like this, okay?
Yeah, and don't worry if it's lumpy.
Yeah, it will just fry off.
We've got veg oil here, not sesame. We're going to be heating this to about 180 degrees C, so that's 354, 56 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we'll be going along and showing you how to do this.
Get a couple at a time.
These don't take long to cook at all. You're just literally trying to brown them off. Did we mention we used warm water for the flour?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we're literally just gonna turn them.
They do have a mind of its own though, mind you.
Yeah, they'll always want to sit a certain way.
Yes.
Also, top tip, don't do this into a fryer with a basket in it, because they will drop to the bottom.
Yeah, stick to the basket.
And they will stick to the basket,
It'll be a
yeah.
nightmare to clean it.
Want to say something?
No, I'm just getting the colour now.
Oh.
Yeah.
I hate bananas normally, but I love banana fritters.
Yes, we used to sell banana fritter at our street store. You got a special banana for banana fritter though.
You mean in Brunei?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You had to go until they go really, really dark, the skin of the banana.
So not too long now. Obviously some are going to be cooked before others because some went in before others. So the trick is just to keep an eye on them.
First in, first out.
And you want the oil hot all the way through. So it should be on the highest setting you can have it on. So when these are done, you just pick them up. Yeah?
Yeah, put them out and put it on the tray.
Yeah.
Well, it's ready to serve.
Ah, it's so warm.
What's the temperature down your way, guys?
1,000,000 degrees.
The weather has been beautiful this year. Amazing.
Has been, hasn't it?
Yes.
And I'm not complaining. I
No.
love it.
No one complain.
Watch yourself.
Just enjoy it. Wow, kadoo. Wow. It's my favorite.
Look at Mum's face. Oh, well. I wasn't going to mention any brands, but I'm going to leave that in because you should have seen Mum's face when she realised what we were using.
I don't want to put my hands in there. It look like I haven't got arms. So yeah, I do have it. Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, so now we're just going to dish
Dish
these
it
up.
up. Wow.
1, 2. We said that there's
3 portions.
3 portions
isn't it?
here, but I'd say there's 1 for me.
Yes. One each. So there's 6 people if you've got a visitor coming.
You're welcome, Cardor, for this. Make sure you
Yes.
tag them.
I love
I
this
should've
ice
got-
cream, huh?
That's right.
I love the ice cream with that sugar one, isn't it? The sugar cone. Didn't like the other one too much.
Sugar cone?
Yeah, the sugar snaps. The sugar one.
I don't know what you mean.
You're gonna, you know, the ice cream cone. You can get the sugar one, sugar biscuit. They don't sell that anymore. At one time, you can get it from the supermarket.
Oh, like a white wafer kind of thing.
Yeah, yes, that's right. Wow, look at that.
And then they're going to be
Fine.
using, yep,
It's golden syrup.
yeah, golden syrup all over
Golden
it.
syrup, or you can put maple syrup there.
Yeah, maple syrup's really
Oh,
good.
Maple syrup is the top end.
Oh, it is, isn't it, Ma? Oh. There it is.
Yeah,
In all its glory. Now you might notice that it's a different one because,
the one have
We've been-
subsided.
yeah, we've been taking photos so long that it just melted.
Yes.
So we made another one. So in we
you.
go.
Oh, I've not had this ice cream for 2 years now.
God, you really do like that ice cream, don't you?
Yes, I do. Yeah, that's crunch. Oh, that syrup is just finish it off.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yes.
It's so easy to do. Like I said, you want to do it with apples, pineapple, any fruit works.
Yeah, I think banana is probably one of my favorite.
Yeah, you don't have to use vanilla, it's just what most takeaways are using. Also, they're normally going to be using like a cheap ice cream, they won't be using Cardor.
But at home you can spoil yourself, all right?
Yeah.
Spoil yourself.
Treat yourself.
It's a bit cold.
Oh, hot my food.
Yeah. It's
Now,
so easy.
It really is easy.
Yeah.
Um,
You just watch our video Just follow it and you'll master it in no time at all.
Yeah. Also, one of the reasons why we don't do desserts much on this channel is that in traditional Chinese culture, we don't really have desserts.
After meal, no.
No, because
You're
like
already full, why you still want
you want more food. Yeah, exactly. And
we have like fruit instead.
but we do have like sweet stuff, like I wouldn't call them desserts, but to us like a sweet thing is like a snack. It's not an end of a meal, so it's not a dessert. It's just a different kind of food.
Yeah, it's always linked with health and beauty. Even the
Your beauty drink. Do you want to show them your beauty drink one day? Mum always goes, "Do you want a beauty drink?"
the butter is good, and with banana is good as well.
Yeah. Side note, because so many of you commented last week that you wanted to see the char-siu rice cooker recipe, we will be doing that. Not this week, obviously, but the recipe next week is that. So look out for that.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Oh, also, this recipe is actually not our first cookbook, but we have an offer at the moment for the first and second cookbook with a free bag of MSG. So if you want to know where to get that, just comment below.
I can't stop eating this one.
Yeah, I know, I can tell. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. Mum?
Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and share.
Yeah.
Comments.
Yeah.
Happy cooking, happy eating.
Take care.
Bye, see you next time.
You're going to have more now, aren't you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's nice.